Former field engineer, I spent years working in remote areas and often went weeks without seeing my family. Just knew something had to change. I did my own research, and after doing a lot of research, I discovered, affiliate marketing. The reason why I loved affiliate marketing is because it gave me the ability to work from home, set my own schedule, and the best part, it didn't require any experience, any technical skills, and I didn't even need to create my own products or, even deal with customers. To be honest here as well, it was not easy, right? Because I had to figure out a lot of things on my own. Example would be like, okay, what is the best product to promote? How can I get people to buy from me and not from somebody else? I did face some initial setbacks, and I struggled a lot to build my my audience or my business as well. But I didn't give up because I wanted to quit my job more than anything. I found a course on TikTok that taught me everything I needed to know about affiliate marketing. Was I skeptical? Absolutely. But that didn't matter because I needed to quit my job and do anything. So I wanted to give this a shot. After I did the course, I stayed consistent with it, and obviously I was able to quit my job in 8 months. The course actually solved a lot of the problems and the setbacks that I had to deal with. The knowledge that I gained from the course, my business grew even faster. You can see, guys, I'm working from home, making money from home as well with my affiliate marketing. And the best part is I get to spend a lot of time with my family without even asking for permission.